our channel, Lip Smacking Sauces, where we provide recipes and we infuse them with our lip smacking sauces, elevating them to the next level. I'm your host, Chef Ro, aka the Sauce Boss, and we about to make some sweet plantain tostones, breakfast tostones. You know, we about to make it lip smacking and flavor packing, so watch the video and you'll see what happens. Okay, so let the journey begin. You gotta make sure you have all your mise en place. We got our eggs, we got some beef hot dogs, we got our sweet plantain, nice and ripe. You see it. Knife, fork, cheese, salt, cutting board for scrambling your eggs. So we're also going to we got some vegetable oil. So we're going to start heating our vegetable oil on a medium high. If you got electric stove, that's like a 7. You don't want too much. We're going to shallow fry these sweet plantains. But you want to start getting your oil hot while you're cutting up everything, basically, and preparing it to go. So first you slice the ends off. You're going to do everything on the bias. So you throw it away in the trash. And what you're going to do is you're going to slice about a 1/4 inch in all the way through. And you're going to put your thumb up under there. And it should be an easy peel as long as you have your other thumb up under here. As long as you have a nice ripe plantain, it's an easy peel. It should be soft. You should be able to smell that sweetness of the sweet yellow plantain. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice them on the bias, and we're gonna slice them pretty long. This way it can hold what we wanna hold on it. So we're gonna do like that. Always put your fingers behind the knife. Straight down, let the knife do the work. And we want nice long slices of plantain that's gonna hold up. So here we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. I'm gonna rest these over here. As you can see, what's gonna end up happening is we're probably not gonna use the ends. Still eat those though. But just so we get a flat surface, we're gonna use the ones that's more on the bias. Bam, so you can rest the rest of your ingredients on top of your plantains. So we're gonna rest them over here on this plate. Okay, we're gonna change gloves. Keep an eye on your oil. Wash off our knife. Quiet, champ. You in the background making noise. We working. Grab a napkin. Take off your knife. Cutting board. And take your beef hot dog. And basically you're gonna do the same thing with the beef hot dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 slices, as long as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got about 5 slices right here. That's cool. Because we're really gonna use about 4 for the plating. Yeah, these 4 probably gonna look the best and be able to have the most stuff on them. You can rest those with your plantains. everything's gonna get fried off. Next step. Crack 2 eggs. Ooh. Try that one more time. Crack 2 eggs. Yeah, I haven't mastered the one-hand trick, but I know how to do it. Washed my hands off. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna whisk the eggs up. Attention to your oil. Eggs and your hot dog back in your fridge. And you're done with your knife. Your oil should be ready right about now. This is what we want. Well, nice hot oil. Slide it in. Make sure you don't splash your fingers. We're going to fry the plantains first. And we got one. Ta-da! Now this is a rustic dish, but watch me elevate it. Flip these. Make sure we get a nice golden brown color on all sides. Looking good, looking good. I like my sweet plantains. It tastes just like candy. Hey, hey, hey. So let that cook for about another minute. Then we're gonna fry off the same beef hot dogs, and then we're gonna clean our pan up, and we're gonna do our scrambled eggs with cheese, and we'll finish everything off with a little bit of salt, black pepper. It's all layers and layers of flavor. So while it might sound like a simple dish, it's gonna be a 1 to 2 bite wonder. Always pay attention to the color of your plantain. Some might need to come out earlier than others, like this one. Looking good, ready to go. We're gonna put it over here so it can drain properly. Okay, you should be ready to go. Put this one right here. flip this one right here. Keep the color thing going. Got going on here. Always keep like a rack. You can do like a wire rack with a tray underneath, or paper towels. When you're frying something in grease, you want to make sure you drain that excess oil. But also, when you're frying something in grease and you want to layer that flavor, the best time to season it is fresh out the oil pan. So we're gonna hit this and turn that down a little bit and hit this with the salt immediately. So we get some salt sticking to some of this stuff, not too much. These are big flakes, so you gotta make sure you get it properly when you want it. These hot dogs will not take long at all. You actually turn your fire down about halfway. You know, fry them up so we get crispy color on them. It's just so cute. Yeah, see, these hot dogs should not take long. Especially with the heat this high. Now, it's not the most healthiest way to do things. You could actually roast those plantains, which would be better for you, and it helps increase the sweetness. And you could boil these hot dogs again. You know, you could actually roast these hot dogs off too. All things that will make it have less grease than frying it. And then, of course, you know, you can boil your eggs, and you can make another type of tostada with that dish, and it'll just be healthier, less greasy, but I will say not as much flavor. So we want these, you want crispy edges, and you want that taste of pop when you bite. It's gonna give that nice, salty savoriness to the dish. Color that we want. See all that? That's flavor. Remove this, turn off the oil. Okay, let's finish making these scrambled eggs. We're gonna do a little bit of oil in the pan. A little splash, just a splash. Bad. Roll it around just right. Got some butter. Just 2 eggs. It's just me, so you know. Don't need all that extraness. Get you a rubber spatula so you don't mess up your non-stick pan. You can just bring it in from the side first of all. Fire it down to like 3, 2, let these cook. They'll quickly cook up. Throw some butter in there. Throw 2 knobs of butter in there. As you can see, some really simple, flavorful scrambled eggs. Let's taste a little piece of that right there. Add a pinch more salt. And here's where you add your black pepper. If you like black pepper. If not, just serve those eggs the way they are. Take them off the fire. Keep them in the pan, they will continue to cook. Just give them a nice mix. Incorporate that black pepper and the rest of the salt I just put in there. And as you can see, the butter gives them everything they need. Okay, let's plate. So we're gonna plate these. Okay, moment of truth. It's time to take that bite, make sure everything's right. Which one? Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. I'm excited. Lip smacking, flavor packing. Now y'all make this. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. And follow my channel. All the above. Lip smacking, food made with love. Fried sweet plantain tostadas. With cheesy eggs, fried crispy beef sausage, GuavaJellyBBQ sauce, lip smacking, flavor packing,